Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am working in my Hobonichi Techo, and I just wanted to kind of chat with you about the monthly spread, if you will, that's before each set of days in the days section. And this is the A5 size, so I'm working in the Techo cousin. So each month has kind of almost blank page, and so you can use this for a lot of different purposes. You could use this for goals. You could use this for things you want to read. You could use this, like, it's kind of endless. So I have decided what I'm using mine for this month. I've used it for a lot of things, but I found some stickers that I thought would be fun to possibly use in it. So I figured we'd just kind of decorate it up a little bit, and then maybe at the end of the month I'll tell you what I ended up using it for. I like to use it for intentions. I feel like that's just super good. Kind of keeps me on track of goals and I don't know, just like accountable, I guess, in a way, if I write it down. And so that's kind of my favorite way to use it. But, you know, there's sometimes things sneak in and I end up writing stuff down that I wanted to do or need to do in the future. And, yeah, just kind of let it develop sometimes. And the only thing I'm going to be missing is actually having April written on it. So I might have to get brave and write it. I'd much rather use sticker. My handwriting, I wish it was as cool as some, but it works. So anyways, there's a lot of different things you can use them for. Again, like you could use it to keep track of social media stuff if it's for a business, or, you know, just like a brain dump each month. And so then you can go back through your brain dump page and just kind of see what you need to add to your to-do list. It could be used as just pretty much a tracker for just about anything, or you could just decorate the page and say, hey, this is my April page. I've done that too. So, like, there's no right or wrong. You know, you just make it work for you. I was gonna look for one more sticker, but I'm kind of feeling intimidated because I put that one up there. And now I don't love it, but I don't want to take it off. So maybe we'll just stick a couple little flowers on the bottom here to maybe bring balance. I'm not sure what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I like to make my spread my own, and I think that's really important. You know, like, use what you need. And if you don't need it, that's okay. Like, less is sometimes more. But sometimes it's fun to go all out too. And I definitely lean both ways. I like to have simple spreads and I like to have full spreads. So anyways, so I just thought it'd be fun to kind of chat through this blank page, because a lot of people are like, what do I do with it? I use my day sections for a lot of different things. I use it for keeping track, journaling, gratitude, to-do lists. It just kind of depends on which planner I'm in. But this page I definitely have used for many, many different things. So I'm going to find an April sticker maybe, and then hopefully, yeah, this will be done. So anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you again next time. Have a great day.